Well, guys, it's another hot one. It's Sunday, Labor Day weekend. Got no plans. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be another 100-degree day, so I was tempted to put the lift kit on this truck this weekend. But since it's been hot every day, it's like, man, I don't think so. Anyway, I got some other things to do to this truck too. I got this kit here. According from what I read, this bed needs to be reinforced if you're going to put a top on it, or a ladder rack, or rooftop tent, or anything like that. So I ordered this kit. It wasn't that much. I think it was like 120 bucks from EGR. So anyway, before it gets too late, yeah, so here's the kit I got for this truck. I was on a Ford Ranger forum on the web, right? And people were asking, where did you get your kit from? Because they don't see one available for a 24 Ranger 6-inch kit. No, they're not. If you go to rough country, they don't have a listing for the 24 Ranger or the 25 Ranger. It's like, why not? I can't find anything. But I do have the kit. This is what I got from American Truck website. They had it for the price. Damn phone's going dead. It's okay, it's getting dark out here. Anyway, here's the parts. I could investigate it and we'll let's look it up, right? What could be the difference? You know, how much of a change could they make from the 2023 to the 2024? Anybody know? Shout out, right? Before I tear things apart and find out, hey, it's not gonna work. Well, guys, before I get into this, see, I want to put the truck up on I got some ramps. Put it up on the ramps. Take the plastic skid plate off and take a look and see how everything mounts up. Okay, so these are the most important parts of this kit here, the cross members. Okay, so this is where the old lower control arms mounts to on the frame. You're going to move it down to here. As I was saying, yeah. So the lower control arms are going to move from here down to there. And then the differential relocates down lower too, so they give you these brackets. Not sure how they mount up, but yeah. I think one goes on here. Something else mounts down here. This might be the bracket, I'm not sure. The old cross member has to be cut, so you're gonna need a sawzall for that. This mounts up, bolts right through to the factory mounting points. And then, so I gotta see if this is gonna work. Because this kit's for a 2023 Ranger, not a 2024. According to the Rough Country website, they don't have a listing for a 2024. So I'm gonna check everything out. Another thing is these spindles. I mean, how am I gonna, are these steering knuckles? I hope they're gonna work. If not, is there an alternative? I don't know. Yeah, you take everything apart and find out, hey, it's not going to work. Okay, so that's some of the parts. I got the other parts in here. I got U-bolts, lift blocks. There's shocks down in the bottom. Then there's a skid plate for the diff right here. And it's got some relocating brackets for the brake lines and for the sway bar. Yeah. like sway bar extensions. And that's it. We'll see if this happens maybe when it cools off sometime. I was thinking maybe I could pull the truck into this patio cover. I don't know. At least the front of it, right? Drive it in right here. But even this is hot. I can feel the heat coming off this thing. Time for a cold one. Yeah.